AI is making you dumber day by day.
AI.
It sounds harsh, but if you think about it carefully, if every answer of yours comes from a machine, are you actually getting smart or becoming a really dumb person? Let me tell you about Rohan, a tech-savvy, smart guy who works in a multinational company. When AI first got mainstream, Rohan started using AI for his casual needs like writing email or researching upon some ideas. As time went by, Rohan got more addicted to AI. Now he uses AI for his daily requirements like researching upon ideas, actually getting new ideas, and basic queries like that. Suddenly one day internet went down by some suspicious reason and Rohan got completely blank. Like he got out of ideas and he can't think about any of the idea. Not because he was dumb or AI was bad, but actually what happened was that he lost his skill to think upon an idea deeply. He completely lost his skill. Now he can't focus on a single idea for a very long time. Cognitive psychology research talks about something called cognitive offloading. What it means that when every other task of yours, when every other query of yours gets directed towards some tools or AI like that, your brain actually starts to practice those skills less. When people who completely rely on GPS while navigating a road got studied, they tell that when they don't use GPS nowadays, they felt that they got less practical memory about the road, which means that their brain completely eliminated the idea of thinking about roads or actually remembering the path that they were working on. What it means that the conclusion isn't that use less AI. The conclusion is that use AI cautiously. Now the question arises how to use AI mindfully. The first answer to that is give AI as much as context as possible. Everything that you want to ask to AI, give it as much as context as you know about the question. Like completely tell the story but in a structured manner so that AI understands your query better and you get a better idea of what you actually want. The second way is to ask it to ask you question back. Like prompt it in such a way. Ask me few questions before answering my actual query. By doing that, you will actually push your brain to think harder upon the query that you were requesting for. By doing this, your brain will think upon the idea for a longer time. So the third and final way is to reflect upon your ideas and your queries after a long AI interaction. By doing this, your brain will get the signal that whatever you consumed with AI, whatever idea you got from the AI is important for you and their brain will try to hold it for a longer time. By doing this, your brain will get addicted to holding the ideas and not just restoring them for a few moments. AI doesn't make people smarter or dumber, it actually amplifies their habits. If you use AI passively, it can shrink your ability to think upon ideas. But if you think and if you use it intentionally, it can give you creativity, clarity, and learning. So, the goal isn't to use less AI because it exists and shrink your thinking ability. The goal is to use AI in an absolute best manner so you can think better upon your ideas.